Welcome to another video with Invest with the Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Microsoft and the recent rise in price. As you know, massive AI investment is happening in the US. Stargate AI is a massive 500 billion initiative aimed at creating an advanced artificial intelligence infrastructure in the US. It was announced by the US President yesterday and involves a collaboration between several major tech companies, including OpenAI, SoftBank, Oracle, and MGX. The project aims to build extensive data centers and campuses across the US and establishing the US as a global leader in AI technology. They will deploy $100 million immediately. Key players for this project will be ARM, Microsoft in partnership with OpenAI, Oracle, and SoftBank. All these stocks did well today because of this news. Most analysts are expecting Microsoft to benefit from this significantly because of OpenAI. So this is why the stock went up today, and I think the price will keep on rising in the coming few weeks and months. Now let's look at the technical chart for Microsoft. So this is the daily Heikin Ashi candle chart. I usually talk about weekly charts, but I'm talking about the daily chart here because this is a recent news event. Because of this news, you can see you can see a really big Heikin Ashi candle here today, which is today's candle, and the price rise after the news itself. The price at the time of making this video is 446 US dollars. The candles are all green. The RSI is moving upwards. MACD is in positive territory. I think with this news, the price is likely to go a lot higher. My past target for this for Microsoft stock in the coming few weeks and months is 491 US dollars. So you see at the moment it is 446 US dollars, and I think quite easily the price can rise up to 491 US dollars because it's coming out of this wedge pattern, as you can see. So let's see what happens in the coming few weeks and months, but I think it would be quite reasonable for this price to rise, as most analysts at the moment are quite bullish on the stock itself, and consider it a strong buy. If you remember, in my previous video, in my video which I did 2 weeks ago, Nvidia, I mentioned a few stocks that would rise with the price of Nvidia because of the Nvidia event. So one of them was ARM. This is the weekly Heikin Ashi chart for ARM itself, and you can see at the time that I made the video, the price was 149 US dollars. You can go back and watch the video on Nvidia that I was talking about, and I mentioned the fact that ARM, ticker symbol ARM, would go up with Nvidia, and you can see the price now today is 179 US dollars. So whoever bought the stock at the time that I made the video is quite profitable today. So ARM was mentioned in that Nvidia video. I had also mentioned TSM at the time that I had made the video on TSM. The price was 221. It's not gone up by a whole lot. It's 223, but it's still up from the time that I made the video itself. And I did mention that TSM would benefit from the Nvidia, and there would be a price rise. Another stock that I mentioned previously, again in the same Nvidia video, was Vertiv Holdings, VRT, and at the time when I made the video 2 weeks ago, the stock price was 134. Today it's 148. The RSI is still positive, MACD is still positive, RSI is upsloping. It's going into the overbought territory. So I still think that this is a very good stock to remain in, and the price is going to go even higher from this. And the last stock that I mentioned was an ETF, which was called SMH. And this video itself, this ETF itself, at the time when I mentioned the stock price was 260 US dollars, and as you can see right now, SMH is 267 US dollars. So again, congratulations to all those who bought those stocks when I mentioned them 2 weeks ago in my NVIDIA video. So I hope you got some benefit from the video that I've made today mentioning Microsoft. And if you get any value out of this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.